Welcome back to our channel. If you're a Jio user, you're in for a treat this Diwali 2024. Jio is launching its AI Cloud Welcome offer, giving you up to 100 gigabytes of free cloud storage. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to claim this fantastic offer and make the most of Jio's latest innovation. So what exactly is the Jio AI Cloud Welcome offer? Jio is giving its users up to 100 gigabytes of free cloud storage, enhanced with AI-powered features for security and organization. This offer is exclusive to Jio subscribers and is expected to roll out around Diwali 2024. Let's dive into how you can claim it. First things first, make sure you're eligible. To claim this offer, you need to be an active Jio subscriber. If you're already using Jio services, you're good to go. Step 2. Wait for the official launch. The offer is set to launch around Diwali 2024. Keep an eye on Jio's official communications for the exact date. Once the offer is live, eligible users will automatically have it activated, making the process hassle-free. Step 3. Access your storage. Once activated, you can access your free 100 gigabyte storage through the Jio Cloud app or the official website. Just log in using your Jio credentials, and you're all set to start storing your files securely. Step 4. Set up your account. Next, set up your Jio Cloud account. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup, and you're ready to explore all the AI-powered features Jio Cloud has to offer. Step 5. Start using your cloud storage. Now, you can start uploading and managing your files, photos, videos, and documents. Take advantage of the AI-powered tools for organization and security to make your digital life easier. Step 6. Consider additional storage options. If 100 gigabytes isn't enough for you, Jio offers additional storage at competitive prices. You can easily upgrade through the Jio Cloud app or website. Step 7. Stay updated. Finally, keep an eye on any updates from Jio. They may introduce new features or enhancements, making your cloud storage experience even better. And that's it. Claiming the Jio AI Cloud Welcome offer is that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech updates. Stay tuned for more guides and reviews on the latest digital innovations. See you next time.